How to create Uber Eats account. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, if you already have an Uber Eats application on your phone, you can use that. But for now, we are going to go to our web browser and search for Uber Eats website and then tap on the first link that appears on top. So this will lead us to the official website of Uber Eats, and here we go. Now at the top right corner, you'll see the option of sign up. So just tap on it. Let's wait for the page to load. Now you'll come across this page and you have various options here. Either you can use your phone number or email, or you can continue with Google. Now tap on any of these options, then you will receive an OTP on your phone number. Now add the code that was sent to you. Wait for it. Now tap on continue, and then you have successfully created your Uber Eats account. So that was all for today, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.